Here I have Nokia X71. Let me show you how to take screenshots on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the screen that you would like to capture. So in my case, it could be simply a list of settings, and let's assume that I would like to save this screen. So all I need to do is use this combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys just for about 2 seconds. Let me show you. As you can see and hear, the device just took a screenshot. Let me show you again. Let's hold down together power key and volume down simultaneously and just capture the screen. You can also use the second way of taking screenshots. Let's just press power key and here let's stop screenshot. Let me show you again. Keep holding power key. From the following menu, choose screenshot. That's it. You can also use the third way of taking screenshots. So all you need to do is use here the notification panel, tap screen capture, and that's it. So use notification panel, swipe down 2 times and choose screen capture. Now if you would like to share, edit, delete or do something with your pictures, let's choose screenshot saved, or you can also find the screenshots by using the following app. Let's choose here the photos, and here you can find the photos, and you can choose here the albums, screenshots, and now you can share, edit, delete or do something with your pictures. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.